Do you want naturally healthy and glowing looking skin? Today I'm going to show you this face yoga routine that's going to boost circulation, release tension, and give you a beautiful healthy glow. And by the end of the session, you're going to feel so naturally lifted and refreshed. So let's get started. So before we get started, I want to show you a simple technique to boost circulation in the face. This is a really good technique to do before we start with the face yoga techniques. So we're going to start by gently tapping all over the face. This is a really good warming up technique. You're going to go all over your face and your neck and your chest area. And this is boosting circulation in the skin. And this is also promoting collagen and elastin production. So it's a simple, beautiful little technique that you can do before every face yoga move. Wonderful. So we're going to get started with our first face yoga technique. This one is really focusing on the eye area. So what we're going to do, you're going to sit straight, look straight ahead, and then open your eyes wide, and you're going to look up. Without moving the rest of your face and your forehead, just look up, hold here for 5 seconds, and then you look down. Hold here for a few seconds. And we're going to look to the right. Hold here for a few seconds. And you're going to look left. You're going to hold here for a few seconds as well. We're going to do that again. So we're going to open our eyes wide here. You're going to look up, look down, look right and to the left. So we're looking up. Take a few seconds here, look down, look to the right, and look to the left. We're going to do this again, look up. This technique is so great for waking up our eyes. This is great for puffy eyes, relieving any tension in our eye area here. It's great for dark circles and reducing those hollows underneath the eyes that we have here. Great for waking up our face and getting that kind of awake looking face or eye area. So the next technique, we're going to puff out our cheeks like this. You want to place 3 fingers on top of the lip right here, and then we're going to start tapping on our cheek area. Wonderful. Let's do this again on the other side. Wonderful. This is great for sagging cheeks. So you are going to get lifted here, and it's going to create boosting that circulation and firming and toning the cheek muscles here. And you can also see here that you get a nice little rosy glow here on the cheeks. The next technique we're going to do is a jaw toner. So we're going to place our middle finger, index finger here, and our thumb underneath. And we're going to gently start here, pinching all the way out to the ears, like this. This is great for reducing any tension in our jaw. We tend to hold a lot of tension in this area, And this is what's causing that stagnant energy and kind of tension and lines and sagging skin. So by doing this exercise, we are releasing the tension, which is then gonna help boost circulation and gonna get your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. Wonderful. Now, the last technique that we're going to do, we're going to take our index finger, middle finger, and thumb, and we're going to press into the skin, and you're going to twist like this. You can see here already that my cheeks are looking glowy and rosy, and this is such a simple technique that you can do really several times a day if you want. You can even go here up on the forehead. It's going to boost the circulation, really waking up your skin and your face here. Beautiful. That's it. You can already see here how my skin is looking a little bit more refreshed. I certainly feel a lot more fresh and glowy. So this is such a simple technique that you can do every single day if you want, just to kind of wake up your skin and get that beautiful, healthy, rosy glow to your skin. So let me know in the comments below how this routine made you feel, and if you can feel that kind of rosy, healthy glow to your skin already. And if you like this video, you might like my 5-minute face massage video, which is also really incorporating some simple techniques to get that boost and healthy glow to your skin. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.